In today's manufacturing environment, quality alone does not define excellence. What truly differentiates a product is identification, traceability, and trust. Every component must carry a permanent identity, revealing where it was made and when it was produced, who manufactured it, and how it can be traced throughout its life cycle. This is the foundation of modern manufacturing. And this is where Asian Machine Tool Corporation Private Limited makes the difference. Asian Machine Tool Corporation Private Limited, popularly known as AMTC, is a leading provider of industrial identification and traceability solutions. Established in 2012, AMTC was founded with a clear mission to deliver permanent, reliable, and future-ready marking technologies for Indian manufacturing industries. Today, AMTC stands as a trusted traceability partner to OEMs and Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 1-3 manufacturers. AMTC identification is not just about marking characters. It is about understanding the complete application material properties, surface conditions, product life cycle, compliance requirements, and long-term readability. Each solution is engineered after in-depth application study and validation. AMTC markings are designed to perform under real shop floor conditions. They withstand heat, oil and grease, paint and coatings, rust and corrosion, long-term environmental exposure, because traceability must survive for the entire life of the component. AMTC offers a comprehensive portfolio of marking and traceability technologies: dot peen marking systems, fiber laser marking systems, manual punch and handheld marking solutions, 2D data matrix and Venn marking system, end-to-end traceability software. Each system is engineered for accuracy, consistency, and seamless integration. AMTC solutions are trusted across diverse industries: automotive and auto components, aerospace and defense, medical instruments, agriculture equipment, steel and heavy engineering, oil and gas, earth movers, jewelry, and precision tools. Wherever permanent identification is critical, AMTC delivers confidence. AMTC operates with a strong pan-India presence to ensure fast response and localized support. Our locations include Pune head office, Chennai, Bengaluru, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Indore, Kolhapur, Nashik, and Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. This wide footprint allows AMTC to support customers across all major industrial clusters. The real strength of AMTC lies in its people. With a team of 35+ trained professionals, AMTC brings expertise in automation integration, software solutions, and service support. Our engineers work as solution partners, not just suppliers. Since its inception, AMTC has successfully installed over 4,000 marking systems across India. Each installation reflects customer trust, long-term reliability, repeat business, and OEM approvals. This milestone represents consistent performance and service excellence. OEMs trust AMTC because traceability allows no compromise. Our systems are designed to meet OEM audit requirements, PPAP and APQP standards, and global traceability norms. AMTC solutions deliver stable performance, consistent mark quality, and high uptime on production lines. No two components are identical. That is why AMTC evaluates material hardness, surface finish, mark depth and contrast, cycle time, and automation compatibility. Only after validation is the final solution deployed, ensuring the right technology from day one. At AMTC, service is a responsibility. Our structured service model includes quick response times, local technical support, preventive maintenance, operator training, and long-term spare support. Because machine uptime drives manufacturing productivity. Quality is embedded in every AMTC process. From design to dispatch, each system undergoes functional testing, mark quality verification, software validation, and process documentation. This ensures audit readiness and long-term compliance. Across India, AMTC systems operate successfully in thousands of production lines. Customers experience lower rejection rates, improved traceability, faster audits, and enhanced production confidence. Each success strengthens long-term partnerships.
With over 20 years of my experience in marking industry, it is my strong belief that traceability is very important in any kind of industry. And that is why identification plays a very important role for traceability of any product. Asian Machine Tool Corporation Private Limited started in 2012 with vision to offer best identification and traceability solutions for their valuable customers. To accomplish this vision, AMTCPL is collaborated with SmartMark brand as a forward linkage all over India with 35 dedicated well-experienced team. At every 200 km, one can easily locate AMTCPL engineers ready to support and attend any kind of need all over India. And that is the quality and USP of our network. AMTCPL always been ahead to provide best suitable, appropriate and cost-effective solutions.
As Industry 4.0 continues to evolve, AMTC is investing in smart traceability systems, automation connectivity, AI-based inspection, and digital manufacturing ecosystems. Our objective is clear: to make Indian manufacturing globally traceable and compliant. Asian Machine Tool Corporation Private Limited. More than machines, more than marking. We build trust through identification. Our contact number 721-871-75555. AMTC Engineering, traceability for the future.